to show y'all.
Alright, so the game is...
The game is almost like Subway Surfers, but you get to pick your own person, and it's for free. You get a lot of money. You get all your keys, but if you keep on doing your keys, then you won't have no more keys. So this is how the game works. If you see this guys right here, say that's one of the players, and they want to pick me, right? So they just picked him instead of me, and I was so sad. And then I walked away. That's how the games go. Cut.
Alright, so the game is... Alright, so I'm gonna be the controller guy.
Okay, let me.
Dun, 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 dun. Who am I gonna pick? Dun, 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 dun. You go jump. Dun, 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 dun. Run. Dun, 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 jump. Duck. Dun, 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 jump. Dun, 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 duck. Dun, 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 jump. Dun. Oh, you died.
My turn.
Two.
No,
Jump. Dun, dun, dun,
No,
dun,
you have to
dun,
make
dun,
him a video like you made me a video. You have.
jump. Dun, 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 dun. Jump.
There's 5 different things going on at the same time.
Dun, 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 dun.